Hello guys, good morning one and all. This is Hanuman Nayak and welcome to our channel Smart Study. Yes guys, what is our channel name? Smart Study. Okay, so please like, share, subscribe our channel Smart Study. Okay. Yes guys, how are you all? I hope you all are good at your places, right? Now, our today's topic, Smart Study YouTube channel. Today's topic is the electric current. In the electric current, the important questions. Now, today we will see that the important questions in the electricity. We already completed the few topics, yes or no? So those are. Just I remind you that what are topics we are completed that. Just see that in the electric current we is current is stands for I. Yes or no? This is current and the units of the current is amperes. The measurement instrument is ammeter. Yes or no? The instrument name is what? Ammeter. Now next is the what? Charge. Charge is indicated by the Q. The units of the charge are coulombs, right? And that next one is potential difference. Potential difference are voltage. Voltage is indicated by the capital V. The units are volts and the measuring instrument is voltmeter. Is what meter? Voltmeter. Now next, what is the next? Power. Power is equal to what guys? Power units are watts. Yes or no? And what I say to you that, and here the relation between that Q and I. See, first charge. Charge is equal to Q is equal to I into time. Q is equal to I into time. And one very important thing is your T value should be in the seconds, not in the minutes. While you are calculating that, your T value should be the seconds, because of current will measure within fraction of seconds, right? So you whenever you are using that, the formula, this any formula in that electric current, your T value should be that what? Seconds, in terms of seconds. If they will give the seconds, you can use that. If not, you have to use the what? T value. If they give the minutes, 2 minutes, you have to convert into the seconds and use it, right? And next, Ohm's law. What is the Ohm's law guys? Ohm's law is equal to V is directly proportional to the I, and if you remove the proportionality symbol, you will get that what? R. That is R is what? Resistance. Resistance units are what? Ohms. So what I am explaining is a complete previous class. Yes. And one more important thing is work done. Work done in where? In the current. Yes or no? Work done in the current. We will see that actually V into Q. Potential energy into this. So we will see that work done formula in the later. Previously what we have completed that, based on that we will see the questions now. Now yes, concentrate here. The important questions are, yeah, see guys. Yes. Yeah. Now see the question. The question is a current of. See, one thing important is that while you are reading the question, you may confuse in the electric current, in the current chapter. You are always focus on the units guys. Amperes, units for what? Current. Yes or no? So here see, a current of 0.5 amperes means this is a current is drawn by a filament of the electric bulb for the 10 minutes. This is the time. Find the amount of charge that flows through the current. Here you have to find that what? Charge. Yes or no? Charge is indicated by Q. Q is equal to, what is the formula? Q is equal to I into T. Yes or no? Q is equal to I into T. Yes, what I say to you, T should be that what? Seconds. In the seconds. They give the I value or not? I value is how much? 0.5 amperes. Right? Write it 0.5 amperes into time is how much? 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 into 60, how much? 600 seconds. Now multiply these two. How much you will get that? Now here see that 5 6 are 30, and here how many zeros are there? 30. Write that 30 first. Here how many zeros? 2 zeros, right? But here point is there na, after one digit point is there, just remove the last 10. So your answer is what? 300 is what? Charge units are coulombs. So is the capital C is your answer. Now see guys, this is the NCERT 10th standard book. You have to follow that. So try to prepare. I will send this PDF also. Try to prepare this book and try to get the good knowledge. Okay, now see the next question. Based on the previous topic, I am completing the. Now see, here a few questions are there. Can you tell me the answer for this question? Based on our, what does an electric current mean? Can you tell me that definition? Try to write it and send to me and write in the comment box. Everybody, what does an electric current? So if you answer these questions, the problems anybody can solve, guys. Because if you know the formula, if you know how to approach, then you can. But if you answer this type of questions, these are called interview type questions, knowledge based questions. If you have to give the answer for this, what does an electric current mean? What is the meaning of the electric current? You have to define the unit of current. What is the units of current? Ampere. You have to define that. What is called ampere? Then third one is calculate the number of electrons consisting 1 coulomb of charge. This is the challenge question. This is the challenge question. Calculate the number of electrons consisting 1 coulomb of charge. Can anybody tell me the answer for this question? Now go for the second paper. So just I am concentrating only on the numerical problems, right? What we are completed on the basis on that, I am focusing on only numerical problems, right? Because of we already completed theory part now. Yes. Now see that how much work is done, how much work done. So work done formula is came. Actually, in the mechanical energy, in the mechanical engineering point of view, what is the work done? Force into displacement or distance. Yes or no? Force into displacement. Here force is a what, and what is the distance? Distance is a what? Here see that V is a what? Potential difference, and Q is a what? Charge. In coming to this, potential energy is nothing but F. In the previous case, I told you that what is the work done? Force into displacement. Yes or no? Here is a force. In the mechanical condition, force. In the electrical point of view, potential difference. Right? Here, these both are equal, potential difference. And this is a charge here. In this case, distance here. Both are work done. What is the work done units in this case, particular case? Force is a Newton. And this displacement units are what? Meters. Newton into meter. What I said to you? Joules. Yes or no? Newton into meter is joule, and the power joule per second is called watts. Joule per second is nothing but watts. I said in the already. So work done is either electrical condition or mechanical condition. Work done is a work done only, right? So here work done, how much? What is the units? Joule. Here also is a joule. Here now see that. Now concentrate here. The problem is here charge is 2 coulombs across the two points having a potential difference. Potential difference means don't be confused, guys. So in my sincere request is that in the electrical current you have to depend on what units. Don't be depend on the numerical statements. They will give the sometimes potential difference, or sometimes they can give the voltage, but the units will be always constant, guys. If here volts, the unit, what is the volts? V is equal to voltage 12 volts. You have to write like that. And here 12C, what is the C? Don't be confused. So C means what? Coulomb. Coulomb for unit of what? Charge. That is 2 coulombs. Now you know the formula of the work done. That is equal to Q into V or V into Q. Multiply these two, your answer is this, 24 joules. Don't forget to write the what? This units. These problems are very important, guys. Now see that? Yes. Try to give the answer for these questions. Try to give the answer for these questions. Name a device that helps to maintain potential difference across the conductor. What is the device name? That's the question. Now second one. What is meant by saying that the potential difference between 2 points is 1 ohm, 1 voltage? The third one is how much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6 volts battery. 6 volt. This question is a very important, and this question is already asked in the what previous question, like a competitive exam in the state government and central government. They focus the, I also got the, in while I am writing the exam, this of the question. For this question there is a no need of what, there is a no need of writing of the theory part. The answer for this question is direct. If you prepare all the papers what I send to you, just prepare it and write the answer. Now next, go for the next one. Yes. Now everybody, hey guys, everybody note down these circuits, the symbols, components and symbols. So how the battery symbols, how the plug symbol, how the key symbol, how the wire is joined. Yes, see, all the diagrams are there. Your job is what? You have to by heart these all. You have to by heart these all. Okay, and you have to complete it and send to me. We already completed that Ohm's law. Yes or no? Yes. Based on that, now we will solve the few questions. Ohm's law. Yes. Yes. Now see that question. The length of the physics questions are very huge. Don't be panic. The answer is very small. Now see that compared to question, answers are very easy or not? Yes. Now see how much current will electric bulb drawn from volt, means that what they gave that voltage value. So it is the resistance of the bulb filament. This is what filament is, they said. Did you know that what is the filament of this? So that's why I said, I told you what, depend upon the unit symbol. This is the symbol for what? This symbol is for what? Resistance. Am I right? Yes. So they gave that R value and V value. They are asking that what? Current value. Yes or no? How much the current? How much the current? If you know that V value and R value, what is the formula? We know that V is equal to IR. Yes or no? We know that IR. I into R. Yes. And here V value knows how much, 220, and you have to find that what? I value. So can I send this R to this side? Yes or? Yes. Now 200 by how much? 1200. Your answer is 2 zeros cancel, 1 6, 1 by 6 is your answer. What is the 1 by 6 value? 0.18. 0.18 amperes. That is the what? I value. Yes or no? Yes, that is the question number 1. Now, so you have to depend on what units, guys. I am requesting to everybody. So while if you read the question, you may get the difficulty. What is the statement of this? If the resistance of the bulb filament is, means what? What can you define that? How can you know that this is a this or that? So that's why I am telling that what just depends upon what units. You know, while seeing this symbol, what you can decide that this symbol is a unit of what? Resistance. So given number is a what? Resistance. And this is the voltage. They are asking the current. See the relation between these three. What is that? This from the which law? Ohm's law. That's the question. Now go for the next. The next is in that BBTZ, how much electric current will be an electric heater coil drawn from same voltage value source if the resistance of heater coil is how much? This is the resistance. Now again they are asking that what? Current value only. Again they are asking current only, but they gave V value and R value. Can you find that? Yes, I is equal to V by R formula. V is equal to I into R. From that, can I write I is equal to V by R? Yes. So if you solve that, you will get this answer, right? And the next one. Now here see the one statement. The note the difference of the current drawn an electric bulb and electric heater from the same 220 volts of source. What is the meaning of that? Think and give me the answer. What is the statement meaning? Yes, see the next question. The potential difference between the terminals of electric heater is, what is this? Volt. Means they gave the V value. When it's drawn of the current, A, amperes, means I value they gave. And what are the current of the heater drawn, the potential difference increase for, from initially they gave this is, and after that they gave this is. So from that you will find the first condition. From this condition you find R value. Okay. In the next condition, in here V value is a 60 and find that R value. Yes, I value is same, that is 4 amperes, right? And the second case, take V value is a 120 and same I value is how much? 4 only. I value is how much? 4. And from these two conditions find the R value, right? Here is what? 60 by 4, that is how much? 4 ones are and 4 fives are. R value is 15 ohms from the first condition. In the second condition, 4 twos are, 4 threes are. Yes. And here is what? We have to find the current. Yes. In the second condition, current value you have to find that. Based on that, this R. Yeah, see. Yes. In the second part, your job is V value 120 and R value now you take that. That is how much you got here? 15, and find that I value. And find that I value. This is a question of this 12.4th question, right? Go for the next. Yes, based on that you try to solve this question number 12.5, and if you have any doubts, yes, you can ask me. I will solve and tell you the answers. Up to that, thank you, bye bye, sign off. If you like these videos, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Is called what? Smart Study. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.